Bafana Bafana will lock horns with African heavyweights Cameroon in a mouth-watering round of 16 clash at the Africa Cup of Nations set for Sunday at the Agdal Medina Stadium in Rabat. South Africa's next opponents were only confirmed in the dying moments of 2025 after Cameroon edged Mozambique 2-1 and Ivory Coast survived a late scare to beat Gabon 3-2. Those results sealed Group F, with Ivory Coast finishing top and the indomitable Lions ending second, setting up a showdown with the 1996 AFCON champions. On paper, Cameroon remained one of the continent's true giants. 5 AFCON titles in the 1984, 1988, 2000, 2002, and 2017 underline their pedigree, yet for all their history, this may be one of the rare occasions where Bafana Bafana head into the fixture sensing genuine opportunity. Under Hugo Bros, South Africa have quietly narrowed the gap. Cameroon 657th in the latest FIFA ranking and 10th in Africa, while Bafana Bafana are just 4 places behind globally at 61 and ranked 11th on the continent. The margins, once vast, are now slender. Bafana Bafana booked their place in the knockout stages by finishing second in the Group B behind 7-time champions Egypt, while their 1-0 defeat to the Pharaohs on Boxing Day may read as a loss. The performance told a far more encouraging story. Egypt dominated the opening half and were rewarded with a controversial penalty. It was calmly converted by Mohamed Salah. However, after the North Africans were reduced to 10 men early in the second half, the balance of the match shifted. Bafana Bafana grew in confidence, asked serious questions of their illustrious opponents, and remained a threat until the final whistle. Perhaps most telling was the fact that Egypt, despite their attacking firepower and tournament pedigree, failed to score from open play. It was a clear indication of South Africa's growing tactical discipline and defensive organization. Bros has molded a side that may lack household names but compensates with structure, belief, and clarity of purpose. Bafana Bafana have shown they can go toe-to-toe with the continent's elite, and that reality makes Sunday's clash with Cameroon far less daunting than it once would have been. With the momentum on their side and expectations firmly in check, South Africa once again find themselves in the role they relish most dangerous underdogs. If history has taught AFCON anything, it is that such teams are always capable of springing a surprise, and Bafana will believe that this tournament could yet deliver another memorable chapter. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.